Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Happy Durga Puja, Navratri and Dasera to all. Festivals and celebrations cannot be complete without delicious food. And today I am going to take you along to a buffet lunch which is Durga Puja special. As I travel to my destination, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring to you more such videos on travel and food. I have reached my lunch buffet destination and I have booked myself a table for two at JW Kitchen. JW Marriott Kolkata had arranged Durga Puja special buffet lunch and dinner from Shoshti to Doshami. This arrangement was made at JW Kitchen as well as in their ballroom. To start with, we had to prepay for lunch when we booked our tables. Your booking would be valid if you prepay. This was done to ensure that they cater to limited number of guests in this COVID situation. When our car was being checked, we were told that we had to show Arogya Setu app status before entering the hotel. So we quickly downloaded the app and then after our temperature was checked, hands were sanitized, we had to show the Arogya Setu app status and then we could finally enter Marriott. After entering, we explored the place for some time before going to JW Kitchen. The decor, as usual, was very subtle and beautiful. It was around 12:15 p.m. when we reached and it was pretty less crowded. However, by the time we finished our lunch, the place was quite crowded. Finally, we got our prepaid vouchers scanned and entered JW Kitchen. JW Kitchen was decorated specially for Durga Puja. The decor was subtle yet had a special Durga Puja touch. Just as we stepped inside JW Kitchen, an overwhelming dessert counter caught our attention. Okay, so this is the dessert counter which consists of all the beautiful Bengali desserts. To start with, we have Balushahi, Rasgulla, Mihidana. This is Komala Bhog and then we have Shita Bhog. These are some of the must-have Bengali sweets during Durga Puja and I am sure you all love it. Next there was baked yogurt, Lopongolotika followed by Shondesh. For lovers of fried dessert there was Kalo Jam. Next was the unavoidable Mishti Doi and Langcha. This Bengali special dessert counter also had Goja, another kind of Shondesh, and then finally the circle was completed with another set of baked yogurt. This was one of the main attractions of the buffet lunch. Just behind the Bengali sweet counter was the Western dessert counter, which consisted of the usual cakes and pastries. This is the counter for Western desserts and you had a variety of cakes and pastries, Black Forest, chocolate excess, red velvet cake, mud pies, just to name a few. After the sumptuous lunch buffet, even if you cannot taste each and every piece of dessert, I am sure you would appreciate the perfection and the piece of art that each and every piece of dessert represents here. After being overjoyed with the dessert counters, we finally moved on to our tables, which was booked for us. The table and chairs were sanitized and a Durga Puja special decor made it feel very special. A pouch of hand sanitizer also accompanied the glass and the cutlery sets. The buffet spread was a huge and a lavish one. Starting with a veg and a chicken soup, the starters had Bengal special chops or fritters. There were a variety of chops, veg chops, mocha chop or banana flour chop, fish chop and mutton chop. Along with these, you also had live counters for chicken and fish fries, which would be fried at your request. The live counters included pasta counters along with chaats and golgappas. This is the papri chaat which I took, which was made with perfection with just the right amount of sweetness, spiciness and sourness. The widespread lunch buffet included the usual salads, pickles and various condiments and cheese which are usually available in a 5-star buffet. As it was a Durga Puja special buffet, some authentic Bengali dishes like shukto, aloo dum, chola dal was also a part of this widespread lunch buffet. The main course had various kinds of rice such as steamed rice, chicken biryani, veg dum biryani and Kolkata style mutton biryani with aloo. To complement the rice and the biryanis perfectly, you had mangshe jhol or mutton curry, kacha lanka murgi, that is chicken in green chilies, along with prawn in mustard sauce, katla fish and various other veg side dish if you prefer vegetarian. The buffet also included some Chinese options such as chili chicken and yolk tossed vegetables in the sauce of your choice. Good food, Durga Puja ambience and a widespread lunch buffet that is accompanied with a complimentary mocktail comes at a price of 2000 inclusive of tax. Even among festivity, Marriott ensured social distance and safety in this COVID pandemic. The buffet was a bit different than the usual one. The food was being served by them. We had to take our plates and go to each counter and choose the item we prefer to have. This ensured that the spoons and the tongs were not being touched by everybody and safety was ensured as much as possible. Though around 1:30, JW Kitchen became really crowded with lots of people moving here and there, yet the overall experience was really a good one. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we loved the lunch buffet at Marriott. And if you have, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more such videos on travel and food. And until we meet again, do take care and bye-bye.